Jeannie and Guy and Joe. Whoa. Hey, Jeannie and Cotton fans. Welcome to the Jeannie and Cotton Show. So I did a really awesome craft yesterday. Look what I did. I did a marble drop. Here it is. It is super cute and I just love it. So how it works is there are these popsicle sticks, and when the marble is going down, it like hits them, and it's really, really cool, like amazing. So also they land in either 1, 2, or 3, or 4. So let's try it out. Woo! Yeah, I got 1 point. Let's try it again. Okay, so then I have this different marble, and let's play on this side. I got 1 again. So I got 1 both times. Don't forget to check out the slideshow I have coming just in a second, and watch the tutorial. Bye, everybody. And I will be playing it a couple more times, but let me move it to another place, and